everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. So today's video, we're going to be doing a little look at this one here. It's cat ear headphones. Now, I did not get these for myself. I got them for my wife, but they were, I'm going to put the correct price somewhere on the screen here, but I'm going to say they were roughly $30 or $40. They're just marked as fashionable design headset, with each letter of headset separated by a slash, cat ear. They're RGB LED light, cat ear. Their model AKZ022 stereo headset, and I guess the number 7 to it. So the box did arrive a little bashed up. There's no outer covering. It does have a cool little hook to it, so that's kind of neat. But let's take a look and see what we get for our, I'm going to say $40. My guess is somebody tried to open it and couldn't, and so messed up the box a little bit. There we go. Alright. Now again, these are a gift from my wife, but I thought you might like to see what they are like. I do have some female viewers and subscribers, so you get a little 1-year warranty card with it. You get the mic, so it's got a pink tip to it, but the rest of it's black except for the 3.5mm jack. It's got, it looks like an adapter for going into your microphone and headset jacks on the computer side. So it'll just connect like that on the end of the cable here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the assembly needed, the look of it and everything. So the cable comes slit, it's almost braided, but it's not. It's instead, it's coated in a striped vinyl or plastic. So it's not cable, so it's not the braided style, but it resembles it at first glance, which is kind of cool. It keeps it out of the way and stuff like that. Makes it a little bit easier. So it does have little flips to it so that it goes out of the way, which my wife will really like. It looks like the lights on the sides are going to light up with AKZ and this little shield icon, and then paw prints, which is kind of cool. I will do my best to get a picture to add into this of it lit up, but I'm going to say it's not very likely. So now it does plug into the USB, and then it plugs into the 3.5mm. Now, from the looks of it, I'm guessing you can use either or, but I'll double check and tell you, put a little note up somewhere on the screen if it's both. But again, you just click it into here, and then this will go into one for headphones, one for microphones. So this one's, the red is for microphone, black is for headphones, and that way you can get audio through your sound card through the computer. And for the headphones, it only has on one side, so you connect it in like this, and then you can manipulate the mic how you want it. It does look like it's only on the left side here, so you can only do it on the left if you want the ears to be visible. So there is that. If you are interested though, it is kind of cute. It's pink, and so I don't know many guys that would like this. I'm sure there are some. I just don't know many of them. However, every female that I know that I'm close to would probably love to have these. The only exception being the color. Some of them don't necessarily like pink. Some of them absolutely adore pink. So if you like pink, they are comfortable sitting on the head. They have a vinyl-esque, almost like a fake leather headphone cover for the earpieces. So it's not uncomfortable at all. It's just what it is. And overall, they look nice. I will try and do a little bit of an update on this as to how quality is on them, to let you all know that. Maybe add a little note at the end or something. But overall, for 30 to 40 bucks, I mean, you really can't complain too much for a headset. But I'll try and do an update on this as to whether or not the sound quality is good and how the RGB looks and things. But the cat ear stereo headset earphones look attractive as far as like looking gimmicky and stuff. They are gimmicky, but they do look cool, so that's an awesome thing. So if you're into that on streams or videos, it may be something for you to think about. So anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. I do hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you smash the like button down below. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. It should be in this general area here so that you can keep up to date on our new videos. You can catch us here on YouTube as well as at Towers Gray on Twitter if you want to leave us a message to ask us questions. And feel free to ask questions down below about myself, the channel, or the product. And I'll try and link the product in the description. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.